And so we get to kind of finish the character.
Okay.
So the makeup designer is really in good talks with the costume designer and the director to say, okay, is this character, is it somebody who's happy or sad? Is it an old person, a younger? Is it mischievous? Is it happy? So what do you want to portray around the face?
And when the designer creates, he also has to take this into account because obviously we want it to look fabulous, but it has to be functional. So that's what's fascinating about Cirque.
At Cirque, a show goes through two periods of their life. There's the creation process, which is, literally taking care of creating a new show, and then the show premiere. There's a first performance. Past that first performance, the show is literally handed to a team.
People from on stage to off stage, through emotion, through whatever.
How long are you looking for that world of the show? Is that like a year process, a 2-year process?
It's about a 2-year process. I mean, there's as many different stories as we have shows, but I want to say anywhere between 18 months and 2 years.